Most people get this wrong. They assume all chatbots are the same. But the surprising truth about Core.ai is that it's a highly advanced AI platform designed for enterprises to create conversational bots that actually understand and respond intelligently. Core.ai allows businesses to build chatbots for customer support, HR, IT, and more. You won't believe what happens next. The platform supports natural language processing, context-aware conversations, and integrations with multiple systems, making interactions feel surprisingly human. Getting started requires creating an account on the Core.ai platform. The interface is visual and drag and drop, allowing you to design workflows, set triggers, and define responses without extensive coding. You can also test bots in real time before deployment. One major advantage is its versatility. Bots can handle complex queries, escalate to human agents when needed, and integrate with CRM, ERP, or other internal tools. Analytics dashboards provide insights into performance, user engagement, and areas for improvement. However, the platform can be overwhelming for beginners. Setting up advanced bots requires some technical understanding, and subscription costs can be high for enterprise plans. Small businesses may find it more complex than simpler chatbot solutions. In conclusion, Core.ai is a powerful tool for businesses that need intelligent, flexible chatbots. If used correctly, it can streamline support, automate processes, and improve user experience. For anyone serious about AI-driven customer interactions, it's a platform worth exploring. Subscribe for more honest software reviews to help you find the right tools for your business.